What is up, T-Dog Nation? Welcome back to part 2 of this monster truck backflip competition. Let's answer the famous question. Which one of these lucky 16 Hot Wheels monster trucks will land to their backflip and go to the championship round in part 3 against these 7 Spin Master trucks? In case you missed part 1, here's the official track walkthrough. They will start up here. They will go one at a time, go down the single lane, and they will land, and they will go up the ramp, and they have to land a backflip. But here's how it's going to work. If they land like this, of course that counts. But if they land on their back 2 tires or on their 2 front tires, that also counts. But of course, if they don't land it, they are out. Up first, no surprise here, Wrex is the first truck of part 2. Go. Let's see. One and done right off the bat. Let's see. Up next is the muddied town hauler. Truck number 2, let's go. Go. Truck number 3, we have the glow-in-the-dark twin mill. We have a big boy right here. Rhinomite is truck number 4. Here we go. Nope. Here we go. Nope. This is an awesome casting. Race Ace is here to make a backflip. No. This is a heavy hitter right here. Demo Derby. Looking good. Looking good. All beefed up is truck number 7. Truck number 8, for this first half of trucks, we have the glow-in-the-dark Scorpedo. Can he make it? Yeah. Nope. All right, quick score update. 2 trucks have landed it, 6 trucks have not. but we still have 8 more to go. Invader is the first truck for this second half. Potty Central is up next. Here we go. Nails it. Oh. Can Motosaurus be truck number 4? No. No. SpongeBob SquarePants is up next. Here we go. SpongeBob. Go. SpongeBob. Look at this, guys. 9 trucks have failed, and only 3 have landed, and we still have 4 more trucks. Right now, Spin Master is just crushing it. Truck number 5 for the second half, we have the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. This one's a big boy. Big boy. Can Buns of Steel save his team by being truck number 4? Go. Oh, and he lands it. Oh. Our second to last truck is the glow-in-the-dark Midwest Madness. No. No. The final truck is Mr. Spider-Man. Can he be truck number 5? Here we go. Nope. Go. Well, the Hot Wheels monster trucks, they definitely surprised me because only 4 made it, but yet 7 Spin Master were able to make it. So, with that being said, hold on, just let me move these over. Part 3 is coming soon, and only 1 truck can be your Monster Truck Backflip Champion. Alright, T-Dog Nation, I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of our Monster Truck Backflip competition, because tomorrow, part 3 will be a absolute insane finale, because only one truck can be your champion. So, Which of those trucks do you think will be your first ever monster truck backflip champion? I hope you guys enjoyed. Please smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload, because part 3 is closer than you think.